Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel 100 Coiner, and today's video is going to be about Siacoin. And in this video I'm going to do a quick review for the Siacoin. We'll see how the project has been progressing. We'll also check the tokenomics for Siacoin, and at the very end of this video I'll be giving you guys my price prediction for Siacoin and where do I see this coin going in the next 2 to 3 years. So if you guys will like to know more about my price prediction, please stick to the very end of this video. And if you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the daily updates from my side. You can get my research on all these altcoins and the daily market analysis which I do. And if you guys like the video, again, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps this channel in growing. So yeah, if you like it, smash the like button. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's just go to CoinMarketCap and let's see how Siacoin is trading today. So currently Siacoin is ranked number 93 on CoinMarketCap, so that is pretty good if it is like under the top 100, and it's trading just below 2 cents. It's like down by 3% since yesterday. So that is like 3 cents, 3% down right now. And if we see the total market cap for Siacoin, that is $817 million with a total supply of 47 billion coins. So because of this number, because the total circulating supply is 47 billion, that is like one of the reason why we have this price of below 2 cents. Right, so that is like a good amount of coins, a good quantity, right? Something I like about this coin is that this is a proof of work coin. So that is something I like, because some amount of work needs to be done to get these coins generated. So that is like a positive I feel with the Siacoin. But let's first of all check what exactly Siacoin is and what kind of problem it is trying to solve for the whole crypto universe, right? Okay, so here we are on the Siacoin website, that is sia.tech, and as the website says, Siacoin is actually a decentralized storage for the post-cloud world. So like in simple language, it's like decentralized storage system or a storage solution, right, to the whole cloud storage which is out there. So decentralized storage is definitely something which has like huge demand, because there are already these huge cloud storage platforms like OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, who have like a huge who are sharing a huge market, and all these entities, they are currently like centralized entities, right? So you don't have the complete security of your data which you have on these platforms. So there is definitely a requirement for a platform, or there is a space for a platform which provides decentralized solution to online storage, and SIA is trying to solve this problem for the users, right? So let's see where all they have their storage providers. So if we see, they have a fair number of storage providers, and they are well spread across countries. Just a bit low in Asia, I'll say, but a lot of them are in Europe, a lot of them in United States, definitely some of them in South America as well. So yeah, it has a fair amount of storage providers. Now let's see like what all benefits it is actually providing rather than the traditional cloud storage companies. So the very first point, and I believe which is the most important USP for this project, That is, it is completely private, right? With Sia, you don't share your information with anyone else. Like any data which you have on the network, it's completely private. It says Sia encrypts and distributes your files across a decentralized network. You control your private encryption keys and you own your data. So this is something I believe which a lot of users are looking at. No one wants their data to be shared. No one wants their data to be compromised, right? Or their data to be anyway to be like public, though it is not completely public, but everyone wants a private solution how they can share data across a network. So this is what Siacoin solves. Then Siacoin is definitely a lot more affordable than the traditional solutions. As they say, Sia costs about $1 to $2 per month for 1 TB of storage, rather than like $23 on Amazon. So this is, I believe, like a huge difference, almost like 20 times less than what Amazon storage is charging right now. That is again a unique USP for Sia. Sia network is highly redundant. That means the files they are stored in segments across multiple nodes in the globe, right? So they have the information stored across multiple nodes. So even if there is any single point of failure, right, the network doesn't go into a downtime, or you don't have to actually wait to get your data. There are multiple nodes operating, so they'll be able to counterpart it, right? And the fourth point, that is, it is open source. So I really like projects which are open source, right? Because open source projects, they are, I personally believe open source projects are very less manipulated, right? With the whole private projects, it's like a lot of at times a lot of marketing and a lot of financial I'll say things, right? They overpower the actual project. While with the open source project, you don't have all these aggressive marketing going on, right? So that may be one of the reason why they are not always shining ahead on the top, but they might be having some very strong core values. So I like this about the project, that it's an open source project. And the last one, like they have a marketplace on blockchain. So it's like the different storage providers, they need to compete between themselves to actually do business with users, right? So this is like very beneficial for users, because they are going to get the best price when there is this kind of marketplace where there is a competition between the storage providers. So these are some of the very unique features for Siacoin, which I believe, like if you are understanding Siacoin, which you need to know. So it's like a decentralized cloud storage platform, and like to be in very easy words, I can say, like decentralized cloud storage platform, which definitely has some demand, right? It has some demand. So let's go back to CoinMarketCap, and let's see first of all how this project has been doing and since when this project has been operating. So if we see on CoinMarketCap, this project has been there since Jan 2016. So it's been like almost 5 years this project has been operating. And if you see in the bull run of 2017, it got to a high of 8 cents. And in this bull run, we were able to get to a high of around 5.5 cents, right? Now again, it has retraced back and it's just below 2 cents right now. So yeah, the project has been in the sphere for a quite fair bit of time. So they have like they have got ample amount of time to build the whole system. And this is something which when I went in more details to the project, I found out and I saw what all these guys have been building on. So I'll show you like two primary platforms which Siacoin has. So the very first one is Siastream, right? And now this is like the perfect home for your media. Enjoy super cheap storage for your media files, completely under your control. Siastream uses next-gen cloud storage technology to provide fast streaming at lowest cost. So video streaming has been a very hot thing in the past few years, right? And Sia is tapping on that segment with Siastream. So you can buy some cloud space out here for your streaming needs. So this is definitely one of the strong platforms they've built. The other one which is there, that is Skynet. Okay, and Skynet is like decentralized internet for a free future. So it's more of like the storage space area where you can drop your files and you can save your files, somewhat like kind of Dropbox, right? So these are the two major platforms they've been building on. For the streaming, Siastream for the streaming solution, and Skynet for the cloud storage solution. So this looks pretty good to me, and it looks like that things have been building on the network. So these are definitely some really good signs. Okay, now let's go ahead and in fact let's go to the charts. Let's see how it has been going and what can we expect from Siacoin in the coming future. So right now if you see this blue line, it is actually the 200 days moving average, right? And after this huge dump, Siacoin has actually found some support out here and it's like bouncing back on this support line. Now because Siacoin is an open source project, right, and we do not see much of like this marketing thing which is going on, so that is the reason the price movement has been very steady, right? Price movement is steady. Something I feel, if we are able to get a bounce back on the Bitcoin charts, if Bitcoin again starts moving up from the 35,000 level it is doing right now, definitely Siacoin is also going to bounce back. And right now, because if you see in this whole bull cycle, right, coins like the meme coins have been exploding. There has been the explosion for DeFi in the previous cycle, right? There has been a lot of explosion in the NFT space, but still this platform, this problem which these coins are trying to solve, like Sia is trying to solve the cloud storage problem. And I'll say like Sia is not the only one. There is like Filecoin, and then there is like Akash Network. So there are like a couple of coins which are trying to solve this problem. And I feel that though not right now, but definitely in the coming year, right, or maybe later in this year, we will also see a bounce, a complete bounce or a complete pump in these coins which are actually solving this huge problem which is related to cloud storage. So there are multiple projects which are working on this problem, and I understand that only a few of them will flourish, right? But looks like Siacoin has got a good chance. It has been there onto the space for quite a while. So I'll be expecting positive stuff from Siacoin for sure. Right, so I was also checking their roadmap. A lot of stuff out here, things look really good. So yeah, so this is my current view on the, this is like the daily chart for Sia USDT. So I feel like right now the price of Siacoin will be highly dependent on how Bitcoin moves, right? One more thing which I find can be a very good factor in the coming months for Siacoin prices. Siacoin is right now on the top exchanges, right, like Binance, Kraken, Huobi, right? But I have also been, like, when I was researching on Siacoin, I have been, like, I read few articles, and it is possible that in the coming future Siacoin also get listed on Coinbase. So if that happens, so that is really going to be a huge pump for Siacoin. So that is something we can expect in the future for Siacoin. Now let's come to the final part, and let me give you my price prediction for Siacoin in the coming years. I personally believe that cloud storage is a very huge market, right? And it has got a very huge potential. Already, like all of us, we use Google Drive, we use Dropbox, we have been using OneDrive. We use all this stuff in our everyday lives, and this is not going to stop anytime soon. Like, our needs of sharing data online, they are just going to increase with the coming future. So when there is such kind of huge demand for something, and then there are these solutions which are trying to provide a better solution, there is a very huge chance that these kind of projects, they succeed. And I again emphasize on this, that there will be just like a couple of them which will be like maybe in the top 30 to 40 on CoinMarketCap, or which will really succeed, which will really come to the top, right? But I particularly feel this segment has got some real buzz inside, right? So it can flourish, it can really flourish real good. What if we see the total circulating supply for Siacoin, that is almost around 48 billion, right? And I feel like if Siacoin is going to make it, if Siacoin is going to be the solution which people opt for, whether it is for their streaming storage needs, or whether it is for their cloud storage need, I believe that a total market cap of $48 billion, that is highly possible for such project which is solving such a big problem. So I expect Siacoin to go somewhere around to hit $1 in the coming years, right? And as cryptos, they start getting more mainstream, and these solutions they start getting implemented, right? And more and more people are joining the whole decentralized space. So that definitely gives Siacoin a target of $1, but like, we need to wait maybe a couple of years for that, because still the blockchain whole industry is like, the adoption is pretty new, right? Like, adoption is coming on, but it's still very slow. So we might need to wait like 2 to 3 years. But yeah, it is possible, if the team delivers, that we can see a $1 Siacoin in the coming future, right? So guys, these are my views on Siacoin for today. I hope you guys liked the video, you enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel in growing, right? And if you like this kind of content, and if you guys will like me to cover more of these coins in my coming videos, please let me know in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button if you want to get more of such stuff, right? Thanks a lot. So thanks a lot everyone for giving your time and watching this video to the very end. I hope you guys stay in good health, and I'll say goodbye for now. Take care. Bye bye.